What do I want to be when I grow up? A colour scientist.
I used to want to be a dinosaur.
I'd like to be a pilot.
When I was younger, I used to say I wanted to be an astronaut, which was pretty generic.
What do I want to be when I grow up? Well, that's already happened, unfortunately, so I'm pretty much there already. My name is Nick Bennett and I'm a brand consultant.
My name is Du and I'm a video commissioner at Culture Trip.
Kassam Luch.
India Doyle.
Mariam Gabaji.
My name is Andy.
Michaela.
Charlie Webber.
I'm Grace.
Daniel Waller, and I'm a social video producer.
I joined when there was like 8 people and it was very hands-on from the start.
It's like it was like a blank canvas, and it's kind of over the last year we've kind of painted that picture and we've kind of grown into this kind of company.
What we do, we're quite lucky. We have the ability to tell stories all around the world.
Offering different angles on people's perceptions.
I've never worked at a startup before. It's a different kind of energy. Things are changing all the time.
Everybody is motivated by that same drive to share cultures and share those ideas in different formats.
All the people there are really invested and keen to explore differences from around the world. It's rare to have a shared belief like that, and I think we've got that at Culture Trip.
As a sort of content producer, I feel like each of us in the commissioning team holds a really important role in the company, that other people can come up to us and ask for information.
I always put the audience first. I think there's a lot of people that work in social media who are just backing the content. They're kind of passion projects, if you like, whereas I spend a lot of time analysing the audience, analysing competitor landscape and working out exactly what people want from the content.
One of the things that I really enjoy doing as fashion editor is to cultivate a behind-the-scenes series which focuses on emerging designers all around the world and give them a kind of platform to speak about their work.
I would say my proudest moment so far is we do these city guide videos. One of the team wears this massive helmet and we go around, attach a camera to it, and the audience explores the neighbourhood. That sort of creative freedom, bringing it together and seeing that first cut, for me, was the proudest moment so far.
So when I first joined Culture Trip, we had just under 300,000 followers on Facebook. In pretty much in exactly 12 months, that times by 10, so we've now got over 3.5 million. That's something I'm immensely proud of.
Giving a different face to like the Southeast Asia and the India hub.
Smashing the 1 million barrier for page views.
We've achieved over 1 billion Facebook video views.
Hit 20 million page views for articles that we commissioned this year.
What am I doing to bring the world to everyone?
I'm personally exploring various things that I may not have done before. So I'm looking at different film industries, but even beyond film and entertainment, I'm looking at other places around the world and other cultures.
For me, making these videos that can be viewed in different countries all around the world, for me is very satisfying.
My personal motto is you've got to push the culture.
I'm part of a team that's finding writers all around the world to bring their culture to our website and for our readers. I think if we can connect audiences from all corners of the world to read and view different aspects of life, that can only be a positive thing.
With its belief statement that exploring differences truly helps to connect people, Culture Trip will be and is making a big difference in the world.